Hello everyone, welcome again from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Delighted to be showing you this Canvansite Blue Mercedes-Benz C220d, which looks absolutely stunning. Got all the specification you could want, including that sliding glass panoramic sunroof, keyless entry and keyless go, Burmeister surround sound system, COMAND Online, water car, full Artico artificial leather interior, so please, for any further information, give any of the sales team a call. As always, we'd love to welcome you here to AMT Specialist Cars to arrange a viewing, have a test drive. You certainly wouldn't be disappointed with this vehicle. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe us here at AMT Specialist Cars, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.